when he's good, he just flips it back over, sets it down, and then takes it with him. Yeah, that too. Or we
bit test. PTX battery check. Make sure it's recording, please. It should say in the corner, like top right, that's recording.
it's that way. North is that way. Yeah.
This was the worst way I could have possibly started on this. It did not. Up spinning. Good prop check.
The same with those, like how you were saying. We would like shade it with green, yellow, red on the presentation. Because like RS. Go for where you're gonna lose it. Remember, slow and steady.
Yep. Take a right a little bit. Right. And then as soon as you pass that building, hook left.
It's going to be on keypad 4 now. That big gap.
Because I filled up with water.
That one right there. Come forward and then start breaking.
What happens if I put them all on back?
Battery on, no bait test, no payload, good for VTX.
Roger, switches are safe, controllers are grounded. shot.
Attaching detonator connector.
Attaching detonator connector.
Good tension. Green. Moving plug.
Moving plug.
Unbunkering cap.
Unbunkering cap.
Inserting cap.
Inserting cap.
Orbit this. We weren't having a good time with orbits last time, so might as well.
That would have been. This is a good one though for Comstrat to be in. Second floor.
Laying down, and I'm like, okay, so I lay like this with my head on the ground. I'm like, bro, this is not the
boot camp. I did the most pull-ups I've ever done, and it was 37.
Yeah, it was probably like the combination of you losing weight.
You want to see it?
You do like 3 exits.
That's good. Right side, and you'll see 2 buckets. Yeah. The right side and the upper left.
Alright, what am I doing?
Straight.
You remember what the battery was on? No. He was like,
you want to swap battery? and battery check.
Alright, go up a little bit. Alright, maintain this altitude.
Battery check.
Alright, now head towards that road. When you're at that road, come to a hover and do it. How are you gonna tell him to spin props and still jump when he starts spinning, dude?
Did he jump in there?
Yes.
As it starts gaining speed and wind comes across it, it's going to manipulate that. Let me ask you a question. RPG 7, right? We all stabs the wind and pulls into it just like a Puma. Why? What happens? It needs air to lift. It wants to lift, right? Same thing happens. It wants to grip the wind.
1 by 8 birds. 1 by 8
2 meter
birds.
height of birds.
2 meter.
30-second SST.
30-second SST.
Go for
Going for VTX and battery check.
VTX, battery check good!
Roger.
Or downrange. Downrange. Alright. You guys facing that way.
It's more spherical, so I'm gonna assume O.
Good job. Let's see if you can now come around. So that let's do a counterclockwise orbit, keeping it in the low left portion of the viewfinder. That his thing is picking up directly from the bird. The reason you're getting blacked out and it's happening was like he's losing.
Unbunkering cap, inserting cap.
We're going to make another movement, so the main thing we need is GCF pilot and nav man to be.
What are y'all trying to do with these legs?
Just pop them off.
Yeah. If you push them right here.
County camming fan, let me know.
Okay, give me a test. Things on. Okay.
fucking.
GCS payload radio check. Did you get my?
Moving bunker. Attaching bunker. Green. Moving bunker. 6-second SST. 1 meter HO. We're moving. Okay, weapon. Moving SST open. Pins, you have control. We have pins, you have control. Approach it as best you can.
On again. Armed.
Easy. There you go. Good attention. Nope. Removing plug. Attention. Attention. Green. Green. Yeah. Drink bunker. Flipping drone.
SST pull pin.